Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I welcome all of you in this next video lecture, which is for class 11 subject economics. तो प्यारे बच्चों, अब तक हम पढ़ चुके हैं लिबरलाइजेशन, प्राइवेटाइजेशन एंड ग्लोबलाइजेशन के बारे में। तो हमने अच्छी तरह ये समझ लिया है कि लिबरलाइजेशन क्या होती है और इसके इम्प्लीकेशंस क्या होती हैं। इसी तरह हमने ग्लोबलाइजेशन, प्राइवेटाइजेशन के बारे में पढ़ा है। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी विल study the combined, that is the combined effect of LPG policies, that is the policies or the reforms which were undertaken by the government of India in 1991 to uplift the Indian economy. So as far as these reforms are concerned, there is combined effect. If we see combined effect of these reforms, that is liberalization, privatization and globalization. Dear students, so let us today discuss what is their effect on our Indian economy. Dear students, every coin, as you know, has two sides. So there are advantages and limitations of every policy. Sometimes any policy of the government is making force to uplift any sector, but due to the more concentration on that sector, the development in other sectors lags. So while taking any reform, the policymaker should understand it that the upliftment of any sector should not be based on the degradation of another sector. So while taking any reform, the policymaker should note this, that the development in one sector should not be undertaken on the costs of another sector. So dear students, if we will see here in this LPG model, here also some, we can say that some negative effects, some negative impacts of these models on Indian economy. Dear students, the first and foremost effect of this LPG reform or LPG policies was that it make all concentration and focus on the industrial sector and neglects the agriculture sector. So with this, the growth rate in agriculture suffered a lot. So due to negligence, or we can say due to very least concentration and focus to the agriculture sector, there exists some unemployment due to this. If we see the unskilled labor which only earn their livelihood in agriculture sector become unemployed when these LPG policy or LPG model was introduced. However, if we see that on another side, it opens the way for skilled labor. That is, by the introduction of LPG policies, it opens the employment opportunities for skilled labor. So, if we see the overall effect of this LPG policy, we can say that under these policies, low focus was given to agriculture sector, due to which agriculture sector did not grow as it must be. Another effect of this LPG policy was that LPG policies have resulted in the concentration of growth process in urban areas. If we think of any multinational company, you will hardly find it in the rural areas. All MNCs are mostly concentrated in urban areas. When or where they find conducive infrastructure facilities, they set up their industries in that area. And as we know that such facilities are mostly available in urban areas. That is why the most concentration of the growth process takes place in urban areas by the introduction of LPG policies. Another important effect and this effect of this LPG model is that it leads to cultural erosion. Since globalization has also caused cultural erosion of the Indian society, economic prosperity has taken a lead over all other parameters of life. Everyone wants to become economically independent and well off regardless of his responsibility towards the society or towards its family. So, dear students, these were some important and this negative effects of this LPG policies. Another effect of this LPG policy is that due to this there comes in effect the spread of consumerism. Due to spread of multinational companies in the country, as a result, consequence of LPG policies has resulted in large-scale spread of consumerism. A variety of global brands in the market has lured the masses to become spend thrift, even beyond their means. So, यानी कि जब कंज्यूमर्स को यानी कंज्यूमर एग्जांपल हम लेंगे, हम कंज्यूमर्स हैं, जब हमें कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव यानी कि कम कीमत में और प्रोडक्ट अट्रैक्शन बाहर की चीज़ों से जो हमारे विदेश में नहीं बनते हैं, दूसरे मुल्कों से आते हैं यहाँ पर और हमारी इंडियन मार्केट्स में फिर ये होते हैं, सेल उनकी होती हैं. ड्यू टू दियर कॉस्ट इफेक्टिवनेस and their look, most of the people prefer to sell those products. So due to which our home industries suffered a lot. So these were some negative impacts of LPG policies. Hope that you would have got the concept. So this was all about today. So with this we have almost completed this chapter also. So, dear students, this was all about today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz Nasir.